this song. It's one of my favorites.
Just pretend I'm holding you.
Hey, wait a minute.
Whispering
Wait.
things.
Ron, your timing's off.
Soft and low.
Ron.
What are you doing?
Your timing's off. You need to do it again. You need to stop.
What do you mean my timing is off?
It's always off, Ron. Your timing's always off. And you know what?
Excuse me?
You don't sound like Elvis either.
What? What do you mean? Then you do it, okay?
Okay, I will. When I walked away, oh, I heard you say, if you need me, you know what to do.
My timing is off?
What?
You ought to listen to yourself.
Okay, smarty. So what do you want to do?
How is this my fault?
It is your fault. Just pretend
Fine.
I'm right there with you.
And I come flying to you again. Oh, the crying is through. Oh, I will hold you and love you again. But until then,
That sounds really nice. That
we'll
sounds good.
just pretend.
It's wonderful. I like it. Oh, it's funny, but I can't recall.
Yeah, it is funny.
What?
Well, I mean, you talk about me not singing like Elvis. What do you call what you're doing?
Singing like Elvis. Well, okay. Now what?
You know, it sounds like double standards to me. Let's just sing, okay?
Good idea. Well, are you gonna sing?
Yes, I'll come flying to you again. Oh, my crying is through.
Don't do that. No, not. Oh, my ears are really busted.
And love you
Until then, just pretend. Please don't do that.
And love you again. But until then,
You know, Ron, you can pretend all you want,
we'll just
but you're
pretend.
never gonna sound like Elvis. I'm sorry. You're just not.
We'll just pretend.